in front of Family Dollar. And it is a Stephen King movie. Look at all the birds.
Yeah.
There in the tree. There. Turn back around. Here they are all on the line. I ain't getting your picture. Got them all above me. This is crazy. Flying over me, hoping none of them get me on top of the head. Feel like I'm in a Stephen King movie. Look at this. This is nuts. November 15th. Good God Almighty. November 15th, 2012. Enid, Oklahoma. They're like everywhere. Even over there. Up on the street light. Phone pole. In the trees.
Hey.
Huh.
Look at that. Those lines now.
And now look at them. Steven Spielberg or Stephen King or something like that. It's just nuts. Alright. Enjoy.